Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add services to your Google Business profile in 2026. Listing your services helps customers understand exactly what your business offers before they contact you. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Business profile account. If you manage multiple businesses, select the one you want to edit. From the dashboard, click **edit services** or simply services from the menu. If the option isn't available, make sure your business category supports service listings. Now you'll see different service categories related to your business. You can choose an existing category or click Add Service * to create a new one. Enter the service name, then add a short description explaining what the service includes. If you offer fixed pricing, you can also add the service price. Be sure to use clear and accurate information so customers know exactly what to expect. After entering all the details, click *save***. Google may take a short time to review your changes before they appear publicly on your business profile. You can return anytime to edit, remove, or add new services as your business grows. Keeping your services updated improves your profile and helps customers find the right service quickly. That's it. Your Google Business profile now displays your services for potential customers to see. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our other Google Business profile tutorials. Thanks for watching.